In this video, we're going to talk about icons. Icons are step 3 in our series covering Patrick Hanlon's Primal Branding concept. Primal Branding are the codes hardwired into your brain that make people become zealots for your brand if your brand can activate those primal codes. Icons is the third one. Think about the Nike swoosh. That's an icon. Think about the Tesla T. That's an icon. The Coca-Cola logo. Think about how those things make you feel when you see them. Some people are zealots for Apple, and when they see the Apple symbol, it makes them feel a certain way. They want that product. They want to be a part of whatever's going on. Some people feel negatively towards Microsoft, and they see the Microsoft logo, and it activates some type of a negative feeling in them. Remember that the icons for your company are the way that people have an opportunity to connect with your company, your brand, your service, your product, and also to display your brand, your service, your product in order to display the fact that they are a member of that group, a member of your group, a member of your tribe, your legion. So create an icon and utilize that icon so that you can leverage that primal code that's inside people. You activate that primal code and you're one step closer to having zealous followers, fans, clients, and customers. If you want to learn more about how step 4, rituals, can help your business, go ahead and click for the next video. And until then, we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe for more content just like this. Rise and shine, superheroes. Your world needs you.